Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making fried Indomie noodles. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have water, 4 Indomie instant noodles. The noodles usually comes with seasonings and these are the seasonings. Mixed vegetable with carrot, corn, green beans and peas, diced onion, vegetable oil, curry powder, garlic powder and grounded pepper. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will pour 2 cups of water inside the pot. Cover with lid, then leave it to boil. Now that my water has boiled, I will add the Indomie noodles. Then stir it round. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 4 minutes. Within the period of 4 minutes, I will be coming to stir it round. So guys, it's up to 2 minutes now. I will stir it round so that everything can be evenly cooked. Then cover it and allow it to cook for extra 2 minutes. It's up to 2 minutes now. I will drain out the excess water out of the noodles. Then rinse it with cold water to take out the starch. In a large pan on a medium-high heat, I'll pour in the oil. When the oil is hot, I'll add my onions. I'll fry it until it becomes translucent. After that, I will pour in my mixed vegetables. Then stir it round. I'll be frying these veggies for 2 minutes on a medium-high heat until it's tender. Now we add one of the seasonings that comes with the noodles in the mixed vegetables. Now we add half teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of grounded pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, then stir it round. After that, I will add the cooked noodles, then stir it round. I will add 2 extra seasonings that comes with the noodles. Then stir it round. I will keep stirring it round on a low heat until everything is well combined. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my fried Indomie noodles. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.